Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. PDFelement makes it super easy to annotate PDFs. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how it works. Here we go. First, launch PDFelement. Click on the Open File button to select and upload the PDF file and start to annotate a PDF. Then, click on the Comment button in the top menu. As you can see from the toolbar, PDFelement offers many annotation tools. You can easily highlight the text or an area of this page. Here, you can add an arrow, oval, and rectangle. You can also use pencil for personal drawings. Leave a note by adding sticky notes. PDFelement also offers many types of stamps, including standard business, dynamic stamps, and digital stamps. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Click the link in the description to try out PDFelement for free today. Plus, check the rest of my videos for other useful ways to improve your daily routine working with PDFs. Thanks, and see you next time.